Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Era. So what I will be telling you all is some programming logic of different programs, like converting a binary to decimal, finding factorial using recursion, and then finding GCD, and you can say to check a number whether prime number is a prime or not, to find the palindrome, to calculate the power of number, and so on. Many programs. I'll be dealing with the logic of each and every programs one by one. So let's start this, creating a new project. So my project is here, you can see programming. So here I have to create a new class, with a new class. So but today I'll be talking about the factorial using recursion. So now let me, okay, this is the things that I'm telling about you. Okay, include the main method and then say it is that telling you to find a factorial. And how can you find a factorial using recursion? Basically is a function which calls itself one by one and terminates at a particular condition. Let's see how it terminates at a particular condition. So okay, I'm taking here and tn, a number that you have to find a factorial. So since you have to get it entered, so system.out.println as a user to enter a number. A user will enter a number of his own choice, Okay, since you have entered in the now it's suit, you have to take input. So for that, what has to be done, you have to make a scanner class. So import java.util package. So this for the scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. This is the things. Since you have taken the n, so what you have to sc dot next int. This will take the input. Yeah, so ask for the user enter a number and a number will be entered. So now it's our duty to find the factorial of that number. And what I said, I'll be telling you how to find the factorial of a number using recursion. So what is recursion? Recursion is basically a method which calls itself one by one and terminates at a particular condition. So let's see, for that we need to have some method. So suppose if I'm having a method, here I am taking a long as a data byte, it will return fact. Okay, and I'm saying it is suppose taking a number and num. This is sorry, here this is error because int. And so what I said, it terminates at a particular condition. Suppose if I'm saying if num is equals to 1, return 1, else return num into fact num minus 1. Okay, this is the thing that we have done. Now I'm calling this function over here. Suppose if I'm calling, I've taken the input is from the user, I'm taking in a long variable long, this is equals to, the name of the function is fact. Okay, and I'm giving that n. System.out.println factorial of plus, how is it as Okay, what's the error is it? See what is the error. Sorry, this is another method what I was supposed to tell. Okay, talking about this all things. Sorry, some spelling mistake or typing mistake you can say. I don't need to focus on those things. The main thing is this: the program here, since I have asked the user to enter a number, I have taken a number, I'm storing it in a long rest fact. Fact is a method that I have created over here. I have said it's a recursion method and it will print. So let's see, here is a fact. Okay, a number it is taking as a argument. If I said it terminates at a particular condition, this is a particular condition. If num is equal to 1, then it will return it, otherwise it will again call itself fact and num minus 1. Okay, this is the things. So let's run it and check what the output is. So here what is enter a number. So suppose if I have entered enter, what is factorial 5 is equal to 120. So this was a program which helped you to find out a factorial number using recursion. However, what you have to know is, since suppose if you have to do the things not using factorial, simply what you have to do I'll be telling you. Okay, simply you have to now run the loop. This is for not using until I is equals to 1 I second. So simply here res equals to res into I, and I have here given this as is equals to 1. Okay, and now I'm telling the writing the result. Let's see. Nothing error. What is this? Why it is? Since see what the error it is. It is a local variable and I am using it as answer. So make it as instance variable. These all things is a real thing that you need to know in the programming. The error will be coming, you will be knowing the things. That's what I was my aim to make you understand about the coding. So this is things that you find. So I have told you how to find the factorial using recursion and how to find the factorial without using recursion. And you saw the number of error. The first error that you saw, that when I was using long rest in a for loop, it was telling something error. So it's a local variable and I was using as an instance variable. So once I declared it as an instance variable, so I can easily access it. So these are the things which you really need to understand while you are coding, and these are the things through which you will be able to learn the coding. Thank you for friends. If you like the programming, so hit subscribe button and do like and do comment program you're facing in and you want the logic of that. You can simply comment in the comment box and I'll help you with the logic part. Thank you friends.